This is the trading review for the 26th of April 2022. I was gonna do a second session, but the market dropped a lot, and we had tiny pullbacks and not a lot of, and not really a signal of reversal. We kind of set value at the extremes, but now, just as I'm saying this, we're starting to get a lot of volume and buyers. That's very interesting. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do a second session because I don't really have a clear entry point. So I took a reversal trade. I kind of I had Apple and Disney, but Disney didn't have a lot of volume, so I got rid of it. Apple was an outside day, but I hesitated because we already dropped a lot and the market was holding a little bit, so I wasn't sure if we were gonna have a reversal. And Apple tends to behave as an inside day when it has narrow pivots, or also as an outside day when it has wide pivots. So I hesitated a little bit, but I should have taken it. This is, I think I missed this entry on Apple, and it could have been a good entry for a full $2 move actually. So I missed that entry, and then I looked around and I had to wait a long time to entry based on a setup, and we're holding value here at 86.50. On the 5 minute, you can see that it still holds true. So I was going for a reaction of value to the top side, and I was trying to do a reversal using a BPA with my setup of reversal, which is a 5 minute doji or hammer, and the 1 minute moving average is curling up. So you can see here that we had the 5 minute hammer here. I made my entry at the break of 5 minutes, a little bit extended, but I was waiting for the moving averages, and then I waited for the candle to pull back and then reject this moving average, and I got in. I think my stop loss was 20 cents, so it got pretty close to my stop loss, but it immediately shoot up. So I'm happy for that. And then took one partial at 2R because in this market I knew that we were not getting a continuation play at all. So I got out one partial here, half, and then I got stopped out at break even. In retrospect, I think it could have been better to get allowed here because we were not we were not having a clear day, uh, and so that's the only trade I took. Again, I'm not gonna take more trades, so it's a much better day in terms of in terms of in terms of handling my emotions, definitely. So um, this was and we got volume on this candle as well, so that's very good. So it was a long. So it was long. It was an outside day. We open on AMD inside the pivots. Yeah. We got 0.9 out of it. We do not have level. Yes, yes, yes. Not really, but we have volume. Should be yes, no. Okay, that's pretty good. So one trade. And 0.9. We did not break rules today. And yeah, we did take 80% of the trades. Okay, but I'm gonna finish this on the daily review. I will give this an 8 setup. It could have been even better, but I think the only improvement there was getting all out on that trade in such a choppy market. But I'm happy with that trade. So that's it for the trading review.